One more thing we're going to do with the loft object is make the label for the bottle. So all we have to do is just drop a circle in to the scene and change the plane from XY to XZ. Move it up a little bit and just scale it down with the radius right here to be almost just sitting right exactly on the bottle. This is kind of where you want to type in things exactly. I think actually 20 inches is perfect. That's exactly where you want it to be. Sitting just barely above the, barely outside the bottle. I'm gonna put it right around the bottom, right there. And then I just need to hold down Command and drag and make a copy and bring it all the way up to right there. So now I've got two circles. I'm just going to hide the bottle right now. And this one too. I'm going to use the loft object to create this label. If I just do that and drop both these circles in, I've got a cylinder, which isn't exactly what I want. There needs to be no top or bottom. So if I go into the loft object right here and go from the object tab to the caps tab right here, it has a start and end setting, and by default it's set to cap, which is what this is. If I just go to none, it leaves it open. And at the end right here as well, if I take that from cap to none, I have a open-ended cylinder that's exactly the height and diameter of the bottle. So if I turn this bottle back on, you can barely see it because this is exactly on, just barely outside the bottle. And just for fun, I'm going to change this radius of these circles to 20.5 inches. Actually, maybe 20.2. 20.3. There we go. I'll do 20.3 on both these circles, just so there's not any confusion. And it doesn't look like it's floating on top of the bottle either. And then just to refine it, I think that top circle can come up just a little bit to meet that ridge. Same with the bottom one, maybe. Great. And now we have a bottle label ready to go.